Big hiccups.
Oh my goodness, Edwin. Hi. Oh goodness.
We had some milk. And now we got the hiccups.
What do you think, Miss Potts?